Chmelaeon.com here, getting quacky with the Duck brand easyLiners. Pretty cool product. Amazon link below to buy these things. What they are, they're for shelves, they're for RVs, they're for a bunch of different uses, but basically what they do is they make it easier for stuff to not slip around when you put it on your shelf. You can kind of see by the photo there. So you got utensils and stuff like that. They make it in all sorts of designs and different colors. Everything from black to checkered and plaid. They have even more than this. There's blue online. There's a ton of them. But it's great for your shelves. It's good for what you're trying to get on a surface without it slipping. And I think it even has some absorbent qualities as well. So you can take a look at the product right here. I'm going to flip it around. Ideal for drawers, utility cabinets, multi-purpose liner, holds things in place. Grip top and bottom provides cushion and protection. Machine washable. Pretty cool product. These ones happen to be 20 by 6 feet. Same with this guy. That's pretty much it. Be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com. I'll be sure to add a couple of shelf liners on the site too. And that's pretty much it. Amazon link below. Grab one today if you want to keep your stuff from falling away. Chmelaeon.com is out. I will also have the full link to ShurTech, which is the maker of Duck brand products, on Amazon.